morning everyone and to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Michelle Oracion. I am 35 years old. I have 3 kids. One girl, 17 years old, 2 boys, 14 years old and 8 years old. I graduate high school graduate. I have experience domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2 years. I finished contract. I serve in one family and five members. My duties are taking care of old woman, 60 years old, and 2 kids, 7 years old and 4 years old, and clean the house and iron the clothes and cooking. I don't have long-term medication. I can sing a lullaby song like Family Finger song. Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? To my future employer, I promise to treat you as my own family. Thank you.